So today, the skill set which is primarily required to be claimed yourself as a data scientist for the expertise and the knowledge that is requisite, I would categorically put it into two most fundamental, let's say, classification. One being a very domain, functional, fundamental knowledge set of tools. And then there is what is called as the IT or the technology-based kind of tool sets that is required. Now, under the fundamental knowledge-based domain comes subjects like linear algebra, your calculus, your optimization, your probabilities, majorly coming from the statistics and the mathematical background. Along with it, some skills which are primarily coming from the fundamental domains would include understanding of the data itself, which is very statistical in nature. The other set of tools which is primarily required to be a data scientist in today's world would be classified under the technology aspect, wherein newest technologies which are very readily getting changed over a period of time, day by day, would include programming languages like Pythons and the R's of the world today. There has been a time where SAS used to be the prime leader. Those kind of technologies would always stay in for times to come. But today the machine learning is focused more towards R, Python. You would have databases which are more inclined towards SQLs and the MySQLs of the world. You would have visualization tools like Tableau. You would have the Power BI, the advanced Excel tools, which are very, very helpful for the visualization part, which is primarily a very important component as far as the technology part is concerned.